Alright, today I'll be reviewing Nature's Path Organic Flax Plus Red Berry Crunch. So it does contain a little bit of the omega-3s found in the flax seeds, and it has the dehydrated berries, and it is organic. So I'll go over to this side here, so you can see that. Here's the back, and here is the side panel. So nutritional content wise, it has 5 grams of fiber per 3¼ cup, and you have 10 grams of sugar and 6 grams of protein. So if you're looking at the ingredients, hopefully you can read that. They flavor it, the sweetness with a organic sugar cane juice, and you get the freeze-dried berry blend. And of course, you get some organic oat syrup solids, and some molasses. All right, so it does have a sugar content, so just be careful. And open this up now. You can see this right here. Alright, so, and there it is. Give you a better look at it, and there's the berries, there is the rolled oats, and of course flax. Now if you have any questions, comments, please post them below and subscribe to the channel.